Armyworms can destroy a lawn almost overnight if left untreated. Once you know that you have them, you should begin treatment immediately to stop the spread of hungry caterpillars before they can do more damage. To get rid of armyworms in your lawn, a liquid insecticide treatment is recommended for the fastest results. Look for liquid insecticides labeled for armyworm control, like those containing chlorantraniliprole or bifenthrin. Before applying, mow the area if possible and remove excess thatch to allow the product to reach larvae that may be in the soil. It's best to apply the product late in the day since armyworms are most active at night. Instead of spot treating only where you may see damage, broadcast spray a liquid treatment across the entire lawn in case there are more larvae in areas you haven't tested. For best results, delay watering or irrigation and mowing for at least 24 hours after applying an armyworm killer. Be sure to wear personal protective equipment when applying any lawn insecticide treatment, including gloves, long sleeves, pants, and closed-toed shoes. As always, refer to the product label for full application rates and instructions. With these methods and products, you can stop armyworm damage to your lawn fast. And it's that easy with the expert help from DoMyOwn.com. Subscribe to our channel for more DIY and product videos.